I am so thrilled that this arrived during Shifterbound's release week. Not only its release week, but on its release day. These are Shifterbound print books. It's the first time I've actually had print books available on the actual release day of my book, which is just fantastic. So very exciting. I'm going to open it for you now. This one's a bit tougher than the other ones are. So I've had a few books arrive because I'm taking these with me to boxes, I should say. Taking these with me to the ARA signing in Perth it's actually Fremantle in August, and yeah, I'll have some there to sell and to sign as well. And here they are, Shifterbound. Look how pretty that is. Just amazing. So good to hold that in my hand. So if you're at the ARA signing in August, I will be there with these books, and you can get your copy signed. I will also be at another ARA signing in February next year, I think it is. There's some really huge named authors going to be there, so I'll be very nervous and a bit starstruck, but I will be there with these books as well. But in the meantime, you can buy Shifterbound, and you can buy Packbound and Moonbound. You can buy all three online at Amazon or Booktopia or Angus and Robertson, or you can buy them digitally as well, ebooks, at any good online retailer. So there it is, Shifterbound print copy. Very, very excited.